What's going on? It looks like you're having a little trouble. Did you check Samsung's website? They offer all the support you need for your Samsung products. Go to Samsung.com and hover over Support at the top to see the different options. From here, you can get product help, register a new product, download user manuals and software, check your warranty information, and more. To find answers to questions, click Product Help. Just type your question in the search bar. Keep track of what's in your smart fridge with Family Hub. That looks like it may tell you what to do. Let's read it. It looks like you've got it down now. Did you know you can also find videos on Samsung's support page? Let's take a look. Videos are a great way to learn how to use and troubleshoot your product, but there's a lot of other information here. You can also find troubleshooting guides, FAQs, resources, and helpful links. If you still don't see what you're looking for, you can contact Samsung via chat or phone call. To start a chat, click Message Us. If you want to call, click Call Us to see Samsung's contact numbers. When you call Samsung for help, you can talk to the answering assistant right away by saying what product you're calling about and what the issue is. You can also say, "Speak to a representative." You can help your Samsung representative get to the bottom of your issue quickly by having some specific information about the product. Things like the model number, any error codes, and a good description of the issue symptoms can really help, so have them ready. A Samsung Pro will assist you as soon as possible.